Welcome to Heavy Vehicle Inspection and Maintenance Web Portal. Today we are going to learn about work order, how to create different types of work order. So let's go to the inspection. So there are two ways you can create the work order. You can create the work order directly from your inspection reports. If you have found any issues in your inspection reports, you can create it from there. So let's do that approach. So this is the inspections that you have done from your mobile device. So once your driver or operator have submitted their inspections, you will receive your inspection reports on the admin portal. Let's say this inspection is done by the Jeffrey on the 12th Jan and there are 9 defects on this inspection report. There is a repair item is a tire condition and there are few replace items. You want to create, right now I see the no action taken. Let's say you want to create a work order. So you can simply do the create work order. So it will auto populate most of the information and you can assign this to someone from your team. Let's say I want to assign this to Christina and it has a meter reading, miles, and it auto populates all the repair items and the replace item from the inspection report. And that's it. The work order is already created. We can go to work order section and you will find this work order initiated status, which was done today. I can now go ahead and share this work order with anyone. Let's say if you are not doing the in-house maintenance and you want to send this work order to some external maintenance shop, you can do that. Or you want to send it to some other team for the approval, you can do that as well by just sharing this work order with some other team members. You can update the work order. I can change the status from initiated, let's say, to progress, or I can make it, let's say, complete. I already worked on the work order. And these are the different repair items and the replace item. I can even change the status of each and every item. Let's say I completed this and I am just putting some remark done. And I can consume the parts from my parts inventory. I consume one and the cost is $150. The tax amount is, let's say, 7%. And if there is any attachment like purchase order, I can attach that as well. If there are any labor details, let's say Jim worked on this for 5 hours at a rate of $50 per hour. Done. That's it. And this is how I can update the work order. And that's it. Work order is complete. I can simply go ahead and view the work order, completed work order, and even I have option to download the work order. So this is the cost. Parts and material cost me $150. The labor cost me $250. And the total cost is $410 for this work order. And I can also create the work order directly from the work order section. I can just go and say create work order. If I want to create some ad hoc work orders not related to inspection, then I can go ahead and create the work order. If there are any inspection report attached or associated with it, I can write the number over here. I can assign the work order to Johnson this time. I can select the vehicle inventory from the inventory list. It's going to auto populate the VIN number and the readings. And I can also write the items what I want to, let's say air filter I want to change. And I will just do that's it and create work order. So this is way you can create the work order, and every time the work order is created, it will send the email notification to the person whom you have assigned, and you will, as an admin, also you will receive